a bag of northern beans soaking in water. I put my northern beans on boil, just starting out. They have swollen up some. I let them sit in tap water for about, I would say, in half an hour. Now, this is my turkey that was left over when I had a turkey, smoked turkey. So I'm going to take this part and put it into the peas. Yes, the whole big thing. I'm just going to sit it down in here and let it cook to pieces in the water like that. And I have some onions, bell peppers, celery, and green onions. All of that. That's the, wait a minute, that's the green onions. That's the bell peppers, and that's celery, and that's fresh onions. Now the thing is, since I had so many of those because of the holidays, I chopped them up and froze them. And what I would tell you after that, look into your spice rack, and start shaking in the spices. That's all I'm going to start doing. Now, you season according to your taste. I've always said season according to your taste. Now, once you season all of your stuff according to what you like, always, and according to what you can have in your diet, always, and what you're not allergic to. After you season it with all your flavors, I'm not through seasoning. I just showed you the seasoning process. You cover it with a top and then let it cook slow for about 2 hours. Which I'm going to show you me covering it with the top. Then next time I show you, it's going to be cooked down some. I thought I'd let you see it with all of the seasoning that I put in it. Lots of seasoning, not just those two. It's got paprika, it's got parsley, it's got garlic powder, ginger. I mean, all different types of stuff, things that I like. Now, let it cook down to that meat fall apart. And those beans tenderize. And I'm going to let it cook for, maybe, like I said, for about 2 hours. Okay, all my beautiful people. This is the finished results. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look here. Yes, look at that. See that? So when y'all fix this, just cook it and enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, so you'll be able to see the next video. And I do appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.